Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I am so excited to tell you about what your RIA has in store for you on the Saturday workshop that I'm going to be training at. Let me tell you a little bit about it. In fact, you ought to take a screenshot of this page. Saturday, March 14th from 9 to 3, so you want to get there at 8:30 and get registered. I'm going to be teaching my heart out about what to do and how to get private lenders. And you see your group's website down there. You can go out there and get more information on this. But let me tell you right now what you're in store for. Before lunch, I'm going to go through deals I've done, short sales and subject to deals. And you'll see how private money fits in those and how it makes it so easy to do those type of deals. I'll also show you a way that I found to get 5 to 7 residential deals a month with virtually no research time and no marketing cost. In fact, I made a realtor so much money on those deals due to the volume that he became my private lender. Just think about that. I'll show you before and after pictures of the deals I've done, 5 steps to wealth that I want to share with you, and then tons of private lender insights. You'll be amazed at what I tell you to say and do and how I react to different situations with private lenders. It'll blow you away. And then meeting the lender. How do you handle that? After lunch, just like a sporting event where you got fundamentals and a rule book, I'll teach you the rule book on this. The fundamentals I go through in the morning and on the evening meeting. Now let's get into the rule book. I hired an SEC attorney to research every state, and I have the compliance rules. The nice thing is there's not a lot of rules, and they're very easy. The problem of it is nobody else is teaching it at my level. You will come out of there with a wealth of knowledge that your peers don't have. So you need to show up just for that. And then once we get done with that, I'll give you my scripts on asking for money, and then also on finding out if they're broke or not. That's important too. And then I've got 3 major steps that you have out of order in your business and you don't know it. And it will shock you and blow you away, and I'll show you how to fix it. So you got to be at the event. See, I believe it's important to take a realistic look at what you're doing out there with your funding. Let's take banks here. If you get a loan today, there's no guarantee that they're going to loan you the money tomorrow. Maybe some of you have experienced that. I've heard that banks stopping the closing the day before that they're going to close, and basically you're out of control. Hard money lenders, well, they're great if you don't have private lenders, but they're also the most expensive way to go. And you only got one exit strategy. You got to sell the property or refinance it, which means the hard money lender gets the money back. Okay, so they can go do it again. They have you on a balloon. And then lines of credit, well, you're limited. You max it out, you shut your own business down, and the lending institution can jerk it at any time. Creative financing, well, you're saying, well, heck, Alan, we all do that. Why you got that down? Because you are limited, and maybe if you don't have money for the walking money for the seller, your rehab money, the money to buy, you walk away from a deal. I never want you to walk away from another deal after meeting me today on the workshop. Basically, you can lose out on some of the best deals out there. And wholesale, you could lose your earnest money and the deal if you don't have this thing handled and wholesaled before the expiration date on the contract. You're basically out of control there too. And your own cash, well, you're limited on the deals because you're limited on the cash. And the more money you wallet in, the more it'll stick to you. So you want to do bigger and better deals over time, I'm sure. And this is how to do it. Look, you are doing private lenders a favor. You are no longer begging for money after meeting me. Where else can they get 8%, 6%, whatever you decide to give them? We'll talk about the percentages. Secured by a mortgage. All they have to do is write a check, sit back, and wait for a bigger check. It's the American dream out there. Private lenders allow you to take your business to any level. Look, the workshop is Saturday, March 14th. Take a screenshot of that and get signed up. Get signed up and be there. You will not be disappointed. You will love this. It is a key facet of your education. It is necessary. Well, I'll see you there. To your wealth.